Go so peshengweng. Fly past some years. One catch your head back, make you go in at the grave. Peshengweng.
Yeah, Chaddy, Amari, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, y'all check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely I gonna be the first to know. And me I hope say you know about some peshengweng.
Peshengweng. You are run like you see but me does a beating like slave.
People, my forward out of the hospital consider song yeah, I run the place. And one of the most annoying song, but me I tell you say yo, it have a buzz to it. Me don't know that peshengweng something there is like it just me don't know. It hook bad because which gun goes up?
Peshengweng. You are run like you see but me does a beating like slave. Peshengweng. I know Mr. Chin boy. I'ma tell you I did something what me bring us up. Peshengweng.
But people, fun and joke aside, that song goes by an artist called Zintos. And I go over his YouTube channel and check out some of him song them and is actually good. So probably, not probably, if you stick around to the end of the video, we are going to talk about a song we have what I really like at the end of the video. Now people, first question what me I going to ask, why Buju Banton is laughing like this? No disrespect to the Bantan, but Buju Banton a laugh like, you know, some people will just get some good mix up. You know them type of mix up there where you know where you're not supposed to know and you can't share it with nobody else because them nothing know either. And the only thing you can do is laugh. Check this out.
Me mama, whoa, me belly, laugh enough if you laugh or cry. What funny?
Now Buju Banton uploaded that video with the caption, "Why do the heathen rage?" I don't know in a Buju Banton and I don't see anybody in the comment section which to answer you know, not like that. But all the people in the comment section I say them are weird on the internet meme them because that is perfect. That laugh right there that I just did is perfect for an internet meme. And then Slick White Line come and save the day with this. Now people, brace yourself for laugh.
The people them chick Amari say she had the biggest song in Africa. She run gone over there, now she had dead for hungry. Them scam her everything. Not even plane ticket she have to come back her yard.
Me mama, whoa, belly, laugh enough if you laugh or cry. What funny?
You see, you Slick White Line any day them book you in person, you know. Me I tell you, them I go beat you get too much trouble on the internet. Anyway, me not tell a lie. That you there fun and joke aside, him bad. You see me, him craft bad and each time me see him video them, me see them I get better and better and better. So this is a shout out to Slick White Line. And for those who don't understand what Slick White Line is saying, DJ Amari, Mona Lisa, dancehall superstar, dancehall sensation, dancehall actress, dancehall puppy show. Nah, put that on her name still. Anyway, the girl was saying Nico mash up her life, not my life, you know, for her life. Apparently, she got over Africa. She did figure up on like a tour, you know, them promotional tour there and them bag of things there, like a big, real nice artist. But it's like she end up get scammed from she go over there. She not get no money. She over there practically a suffer. But before we play that video, I want to talk to the people them, the real supporters them. You see me? And tell them thanks. Thanks for everything, yo. John Star. Me in a hospital the other day and a bag of people call me, a bag of people message me. Everybody they didn't need blood and them thing there. If you never know. And people share the poster, share the flyers, and me need blood, and everybody just chip in, and I just have to tell you thanks again. Even though I did an entire video explaining everything what really take place, but me just still have a forward here and say thanks. And people, since I'm out of the hospital, I finally decide to create some merch. So if you look in the description right now, or me I go actually pin it in the comment section. Yeah, look in the comment section. you go see a link. You can click that link and go over to the store, which over there you can purchase any one of those merch, any one of those apparel mugs. Them we have the face mask, we have phone case and all sort of stuff. Just like what you're seeing right now on your screen, yeah, it's over there. And that are the link to go over there. So support the Chaddy TV brand, and with any purchase of the shirt, them mark Sickle Strong, or any other apparel, anything we mark Sickle Strong. So whether the mug, the face mask, the phone case, anything we mark Sickle Strong, the profit made from that brand, me I go donate it to a sickle cell child in need. Alright, so we run, go on over there. So this is what happened to Amari in Africa.
So what's been going on, I'll say, is that everything that was promised to my mom hasn't been fulfilled. She was here to complete, performances, media outlets, travel country to country in Africa, and complete a lot of things for upcoming fans. That was promised with an escort, which was promised. So that led into her pretty much. This guy has left her out of the loop. She's been working hard, and it went from him supposed to being my mom's road manager to now him being the tour guide, then to him pretty much using her for what she has and leading my mom to pretty much paying for everything for him, right?
Yeah.
Which led him to my mom paying for her ticket to get from Tanzania to what's this place called? Zanzibar. So really,
Can I say something? I mean, I've never seen anything like this in my life. I spent over almost $3,000, you understand, for David to come to Africa and to take care of my situation. Plus, I made sure that my kids were relocated and everything before I came here. So you're looking at $10,000 right there. The first thing I noticed when I came, bring me to a place where nobody knows my name, nobody knows me, and nobody knows anything about reggae music. Nobody knows anything about reggae music whatsoever.
Full stop right there, Sir Amari. Let me correct you. Nobody don't know about your music in Africa or in Tanzania, or I hope I pronounce the place right. But I go sabooms and do a small, not in-depth, small research, and everybody over there know about reggae music, know about dancehall music. A matter of fact, I stumbled upon that song here. What I feel say that song here bad by one of them hold on, let me get it pronounced, the right pronunciation. Yeah, so it's Tanzania, and that's the place where I'm already there. But as I say, I find some artists over there and them pretty bad. You see me? And I'm just gonna play one of the songs them with me, kind of my favorite, where me hear out about the 20 songs them when me listen. And here goes.
Fiesta. Never then. Pull up, Zim. Pull up, Fiesta. Ram pam 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 pam.
So Amari, clearly nobody just never know you. You see me? And by the way, that song the bad. And it is sing by a group called Dancehall Military Fiesta. So you see, even the man them name of dancehall in it, and Amari I could come talk about the place. I not pronounce it again. I forgot what name. Tasmania. Every time it's like I want to say Tasmania. And not Tasmania. Tanzania. I think of Tanzania, yeah. And Amari want to come say Tanzania don't know about dancehall. My friend there. Anyway, still make we check out peshengweng.
Peshengweng. You are not like you see, but me does a beating like slave.
So people, as what me telling you before, the artist and goes by the name Zintos. And a lot of people would see that little viral clip there and think say is a joke artist. Think say is a artist like I not call nobody name, I not call Amari name. Anyway, the artist here is actually bad. You hear me I say? Bad. Everybody get the bus some different way in a life, but the artist I get it by peshengweng. But differently from peshengweng. in bad. And me I go play a song for you right now. Goes by the name Ricky and Marty. So check it out.
Weed make me frost like seminana bus feel like patty a scale fish every day. We out here mesh marina cleaner in a back pocket cold beer. In a hand like curfew me make the road clear. Out clear like Ja Vinci life having me girl like a dinghy. Me fly not gingy.
So this is the artist bad. And no joke artist. And no peshengweng artist. No, the artist actually bad. You see me? And me like how him put some effort in the music video and them thing there in bad. And this track is actually produced by Fanatics. The same youth them were produced just touched down in the airport. So I don't know where the song you gonna go. It is a good look for the song. You see me? So Zintos is what the artist's name, and artist, you're bad. Just try release the peshengweng officially. Me get it because a bag of people are ask about that song there.
Ballet and bingy thugs them a me linky. Me burn your skin for your black out the history. 2 black suit in 2 black suit. Them and the Glock shoot. The Maggie with the spin barrel. And no cock suit. Pluck out the eyeball like how me deal with jackfruit. Foof and name a call the same tall, the same shot.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, don't forget to check out the merch them, the hot merch them, the bad beats them. You see me? You can find them at teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMurray or you can just look in at the description and we will provide a link. Or if you're watching on Instagram, you're looking at the description, same way, you see that link tree, something there. Click it, and you see all of the links, them, including the merch link. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And remember, one way, any other way, or the wrong way.